Protein is an essential macronutrient that plays a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. It is responsible for building and repairing tissues, supporting muscle growth, and aiding in the production of enzymes and hormones. While there are several sources of protein available, incorporating a variety of protein-rich foods into our daily diet is essential to ensure we meet our nutritional needs. In this video, we will explore a list of delicious foods high in protein that you can enjoy every day. Eggs. Eggs are a versatile and nutritious protein source. They are not only packed with high-quality protein, but also provide essential vitamins and minerals. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is an excellent choice for those looking to increase their protein intake. It contains twice the amount of protein found in regular yogurt and is also a great source of calcium. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is a lean source of protein that is low in fat and high in nutrients. It is not only delicious but also versatile, allowing you to create a variety of healthy and flavorful dishes. Quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It is a fantastic alternative to traditional grains and offers a range of health benefits. Use quinoa as a base for salads. Mix it into stir fries. Lentils. Lentils are a plant-based protein powerhouse. They are not only rich in protein but also high in fiber, which aids digestion and promotes satiety. Lentils can be used in soups, stews, salads, or even made into delicious veggie burgers for a satisfying and protein-rich meal. Salmon. Salmon is a fatty fish that is not only delicious but also an excellent source of protein. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. Grilled, baked, or pan-seared, salmon is a delectable way to include protein in your diet while indulging in its unique flavor. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a soft and creamy cheese that is high in protein and low in fat. It can be enjoyed on its own or used as a topping for salads, fruits, or whole grain toast. Cottage cheese provides a protein boost while adding a delightful texture to your meals. Almonds. Almonds are not only a crunchy and delicious snack but also a great source of plant-based protein. They are also rich in healthy fats and fiber, making them a satisfying choice. Enjoy a handful of almonds as a snack or sprinkle them over salads and yogurt for added protein. Tofu. Tofu is a popular plant-based protein option for vegetarians and vegans. It is made from soybeans and is highly versatile, taking on the flavors of the ingredients it's cooked with. Whether you stir-fry it, grill it, or use it in a tofu scramble, tofu offers a significant protein boost to your meals. Greek-style hummus. Hummus, made from chickpeas, is a tasty and protein-rich dip or spread. Opt for the Greek-style hummus variety, which has a higher protein content than regular hummus. Pair it with whole grain crackers, raw vegetables, or use it as a spread in wraps or sandwiches for a delicious protein-packed snack. Lean beef. Lean cuts of beef, such as sirloin or tenderloin, are excellent sources of high-quality protein. They are also rich in iron, zinc, and B vitamins. Enjoy a juicy steak or add slices of lean beef to stir fries and salads for a protein-packed meal. Edamame. Edamame, young soybeans, are a popular snack and appetizer in Asian cuisine. They are not only tasty but also a great source of plant-based protein. Boil or steam them and sprinkle some sea salt for a nutritious and protein-rich snack. Chia seeds. Chia seeds may be tiny, but they are mighty when it comes to protein content. They are also packed with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Add chia seeds to your smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal for an extra protein boost. Chickpeas. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. They are high in protein, fiber, and essential minerals. Roast them for a crunchy snack, make homemade hummus, or toss them into salads and stews. Spirulina. Spirulina is a blue-green algae that is considered a superfood. It is incredibly nutrient-dense and contains a significant amount of protein, along with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Add spirulina powder to your smoothies or mix it into energy balls for a protein-packed snack. Pork tenderloin. Pork tenderloin is a lean cut of meat that provides a good amount of protein and several essential vitamins and minerals. It is versatile and can be roasted, grilled, or used in stir-fries for a delicious and protein-rich meal. Incorporating a variety of delicious foods high in protein into your daily diet is not only enjoyable but also beneficial for your overall health. From eggs and chicken breast to lentils and tofu, there are numerous options available, catering to various dietary preferences.